How do you schedule pins on Pinterest for free? Do you wonder, is there a free Pinterest scheduler? Maybe you don't want to spend on any additional tools like a social media scheduler, but of course you want to get your content up on Pinterest. So hey there, it's Natalie Bardo, your Pinterest coach here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule pins for free using just the Pinterest website or app. So if you love Pinterest marketing tips, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I've got free weekly training coming your way. So when we're talking about scheduling pins to Pinterest, you can do this for free with the Pinterest website or app itself. You can only schedule standard pins, that's an image pin, or video pins. Carousel pins and idea pins, formerly known as story pins, must be pinned in real time. However, that doesn't mean that you can't draft them, especially if you're using your app. You can draft idea pins, leave them on your phone, and then go in and hit schedule when you're ready for it to go live. So let's head over to the Pinterest website and I'll show you how easy it is to schedule your pins for free. So right on the Pinterest website, to schedule a pin, you're going to click on Create in the top left-hand side and then select Create a Pin. This is where you can drag and drop or select to upload your standard pin or video pin that you're going to schedule in advance. So let's select image and I'll take you through the steps. So I'm going to click and find the pin. I've already saved them all to my computer. So if it's a standard pin, that's a PNG or a JPEG. So I'm going to click upload. So here's my pin image. Of course, you're going to select the board that you want to save this pin to. So for example, this is a pin all about Carmel. I have a whole board dedicated to this. So you're going to save your pin to the board that makes the most sense from an SEO perspective for your content. So make sure you're just adding pins to related boards that of course are optimized. So even if you're just getting started, maybe you're going to create a board. Maybe you don't have a board as yet. So if your pin is, for example, on a recipe, what type of recipe is it? Then create a board with that specific keyword. So I'm going to select the board. Now let's write our pin title. Pin titles are 100 characters maximum, but they recommend at least 40. So I'm going to make sure I have a specific keyword for my content. So I'm going to say things to do in Carmel by the sea, because I know that this is a keyword phrase. The second thing I'm going to do is actually copy this and click where it says add alt text. Alt text is for screen readers and it describes what the image is about. I'm going to say what's on the pin. So what to do in Carmel by the sea with a view of the ocean and rocky shoreline, right? Next, I'm going to write a pin description. This 500 character description is going to be SEO optimized for the best benefits, okay? So I actually have already optimized this, so I'm just going to paste in an example. So if you need help writing pin titles or pin descriptions, click down below. I've got some videos that are going to help you. So I've got my pin description. The next thing we need to do is add a destination link. That's where this image is going to link to. So I'm going to paste in that link. So when we're scheduling pins for free with Pinterest, you want to make sure that down below you click on publish at a later date. This allows you to schedule pins within the next 2 weeks. So you're going to first select the date. The dates that you're able to schedule to in the next 2 weeks, they'll be in a darker color so you can see them. I can't select any of these other dates. Okay, so say I want it to go out on the 1st. Then you're going to select the time. So of course, you're going to select the time that is best for you to pin to Pinterest. If you need help with that, be sure to check out the video about the best time to pin on Pinterest. So we're going to select a time in the evening, and there we have it. And of course, you can also schedule multiple pins at a time. So if I want to add another pin, we're just going to simply click on this plus sign all the way in the left-hand corner. It's giving us the option to select another pin. This time, let's drop in a video pin. So I'm going to select it and we'll see that it's going to play the video. We're just going to use the slider to select the cover image of our pin, which is right here. Same thing we're going to do. Select a board. You're going to write a pin title. You're going to write your pin description, add your alt title. Then when it comes to video pins or idea pins, you're going to add topic tags. So topic tags are just, think of them like keywords that are describing your content. So you're going to click and start writing in phrases relating to your content. So I know this is about Carmel, which is in California. So let me see if California is a keyword, and it is. I also know that this is a piece of content about a hotel. So I'm typing in hotel, and I'm going to select hotel under travel, hotel again, because I know there's images of the interior. So I'm just going to select all of the related keywords that make sense. So when you're thinking of your topic tags, just start brainstorming ideas and type them in. Then I'm going to add my destination link, and then we're going to select a publish date. Once again, select a time in that time frame. You can also select duplicate to duplicate a pin. And of course, if you make a mistake and you no longer want to change this, you can actually press delete here, or you can even just delete the image and upload a new one. So since I don't need this, I'm going to hit delete. You can also quickly schedule multiple pins by clicking the check mark. And then once you're ready to send them out, you can click publish and then give Pinterest a second to schedule your pins. Okay, so Pinterest has scheduled our pins. We can navigate back to our profile, and you can see, if you're wondering where are my scheduled pins, right on your profile on the created tab, you can see all your scheduled pins right here with the days and times. If you want to edit any of your scheduled pins, you're actually not able to edit them, but you can click on them. You can either hit delete or publish now. So if you accidentally schedule a pin at the wrong time, you could just come in here, copy the caption and the title, and then you would go and schedule it again. But you can't edit, you can only delete or send it to be published right now. So if you want to schedule a pin from the app, you're going to follow the same steps, except you're going to hit that plus button in the very center of the screen, then click on Create Pin. This is where you're able to schedule your video pin or your image pin. And if you want to schedule an idea pin, you're going to select that option. As mentioned, if you want to schedule idea pins, it's best to draft them in the mobile app and then access it when you're ready for it to go live and hit publish now. So you might also be wondering, how many pins can I schedule to Pinterest at a time? The maximum is 100. You can do 100 pins queued up using just the Pinterest website, but remember, you only get 2 weeks in advance. So if you want to schedule farther in advance than just 2 weeks, you could use a scheduler like Tailwind. With a free forever account, you're able to schedule 20 posts per month. So using the Pinterest website and Tailwind together, you could easily schedule a month of content and get far ahead in your Pinterest scheduling. So if you haven't signed up for Tailwind before, be sure to click that link and start your free forever account. It's going to give you access to the Tailwind scheduler, as well as amazing features like Tailwind communities. It's a great all-in-one tool that you can get started for free forever. So why not give it a try? So there you have it. That's how to schedule pins for free with Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I love being your Pinterest coach. And stick around. You're going to find this video helpful. And bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.